This is our learning activity video in Statistics and Probability, Quarter 3, Week 3B. Objective: the learner solves problems involving mean and variance of probability distributions. Exercise number 1. Complete the table below and find the mean, variance, and standard deviation. So let's revise the table. The given table, we have 2 columns are given. Then we have to fill up the third and the fourth column. The third column, it says here the formula is x times p of x. So whatever is x here, multiplied it to the probability given. So 4 times 2 over 10, that's 4 over 10. 4 times 4 over 10, that's 16 over 10. 5 times 1/10, that's 5/10. 7 times 3/10, that's 21 over 10. The purpose of this column is for us to get the mean. And this one, the fourth column, the purpose is for us to get the variance. So we have the column for x squared times p of x. So first, let's square the x's given. So 2 squared is 4, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49. Then next is just copy the given probabilities in the second column and perform the indicated multiplication. So 4 times 2, that's 8 all over 10. Just copy the denominator 10. Then 16 times 4, that's 64, copy 10. 25 times 1, 25, copy 10. Then 43 times 3, that's 147 all over 10. Next is to get the mean, mu, or the expected value of x. And this is the summation of the third column. So this is 4 plus 16 over 10, that's 20 over 10, plus 5 plus 21 all over 10, that's 26. So 20 plus 26 is 46 all over 10, or simply 4.6. Next is to get the fourth column sum. So the sum is just 8 plus 64 plus 25 plus 147. It totals to 244, and then copy 10, or simply 24.4. Next, let's have the summary of the values that we had already solved. We have mu, or the a of x, is 4.6. Then the summation of x squared times p of x, that's 24.4. And using the formula given in the module for the variance, it says sigma squared equals summation of x squared times p of x minus mu squared. So we have 24.4 minus 4.6 quantity squared. Simplifying, we have sigma squared equals 3.24. And from sigma squared, we can get the standard deviation sigma to be the square root of 3.24. So that's 1.80. So the answer key is correct. Hence, we have the following values as the final answer. For exercise number 2, the probabilities of a machine manufacturing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 defective parts in one day are given. So we have 0.5, 0.25, 0.04, 0.026, 0.03, and 0.154. Find the mean and the standard deviation of the probability distribution. Next, for the solution, so we have to come up with a table again with the third and the fourth column respectively, reflecting here the x times p of x and then x squared times p of x. So we have the following values. And for the mu of x, or e of x, we have mu equals the sum of the third column here, that is 1.298. Let's have it like that in 3 decimal places. And for the column x squared times p of x, the sum of the values here is 4.974. You can verify these values in your calculator. Next is to have the summary of what we had computed already. Then sigma squared is the variance given the formula summation of x squared times p of x minus mu squared. That is 4.974 minus 1.298 squared is So you have to square this first, and then once you get the square, you subtract it from 4.974. So let's do that here. And it's gonna be 3.29. It tallies with your answer key. And of course, the sigma is just the square root of 3.29, which is equal to 1.81. And it also tallies with the answer key.
If you are not yet a subscriber of my channel, kindly subscribe and please don't forget to like and share. And if you are a subscriber, you will be updated with more uploads for these learning activity videos. Thank you and always stay happy, healthy, and safe.